is we've just cut it out using the Stanley knife. As a painter, we never know what we're going to get. So I've been called by a real estate agent because this house here, it's about 6 months old and it's got some pretty harsh cracks in it. So I wanted to know if I can fix it. So here I am. Give you a bit of a look. That's not too bad. It's easy enough to fix. So we come in here. Got a big ass structural crack right across here. Okay. Goes down through, split through the corners, goes down here and runs there. So that's the second one. Now that'll be fixed a little different way. We've got some structural cracks here. We've got some more there. We'll just cut that out. Liquid nail that in there. It's the best we can do that. And tape that and then paint it. We've got some more here. Running through the power point here. So now that one's followed the expansion joint through. And it's run down into here. And we've got one that comes down here as well. There. Now I think that was it. So as a painter, we were expected to fix this kind of stuff. So you tell me, would you be able to fix it? What we've done is chop that out best we can. And this one is we've just cut it out using the Stanley knife and also up there. So we're going to be using need to get rid of that dust. To fill this, so basically we're just going to use some cornice cement that we've mixed up. A little bit sloppy, push it in. And this is really just to get the surface flat and also to glue those two pieces together. Push it in hard. See, cornice cement is a glue and that's what sticks all the cornice on. So this is why we're using the cornice cement rather than just normal plaster in here. And for our next trick we'll be using the base coat on top with a tape. Movement happening there, but there's nothing I can do about it. Cornice cement can handle a bit of movement, not a lot, a bit. This is actually moved over this one. Really need to drive that one in here. No matter what happens, we're still not going to be able to stop this happening. This is movement. The trouble is, this house is only 6 months old. The local authorities won't do anything about it. The QBCC, they reckon it's fine. The thing is, people can't rent the house out. because no one wants to come into a house that's looking like this. Dusting. Nice to get a bit of timber in there behind, but starting to get a little bit dark in here, but I'll show you what I've done. Basically, all the skirtings here that were lifting off, I've pulled all the old gaps out and I've squirted liquid nails in behind them, and that'll be finished off with some gaps. I've cornice cemented all that. I've liquid nailed that cornice. I've left that expansion joint loose. I've come down here. I've liquid nails down there. This is not quite dry yet, so I can't base coat that and tape it yet. That's basically what I've done there, and that'll stop this from moving some more. Same thing, it's got to be taped. I've liquid nails squirted it in behind the timber there. Got a bit of a mess here. So as we go up, it's the same thing. I've still got to wait for that to dry properly, and I'm just going to blow all this out. I've had to dig out the skirting here, put liquid nails behind it. These bloody carpenters, they're not gluing anything, and this was all open all the way along there. So I've pried that open, got all the old gaps out, and liquid nailed in behind it, then gapped over the top of it. This one here, I've done the same. I've opened it all up, squirted liquid nails in the joint. Okay, so, and then that'll have to be gapped and painted, gapped afterwards. Same thing here. Open that up, liquid nailed it, and that'll have to be top coated. And I'm just going to blow this room out so we've got somewhere fresh to start with, and then I'll just tape this up with base coat, and I'll use paper tape on this, and then that'll be it. That's all I can do today, because it's about 4 o'clock in the afternoon and it's pretty drizzly. It's not going to dry. So this is what we end up with. So this is just a tape and a coat of base coat. So hopefully that'll dry in the next half hour, and I'll be able to put another one over that before I leave. That one up there is fairly proud, so I've had to put a pretty heavy one on that one. I don't think that's going to dry. I'll try and turn this fan on. I've still got some more to do. I've still got all this ceiling to do, plus all those others to do yet. So I'm going to have my ass hanging out for today.